Hello students, I am Sandili Gori from LJ Polytechnic. Today we are going through the topic of advanced mathematics, that is integration and its application. We are going to learn about area of bounded region. Let's start with the example of area. Here our question is to find the area bounded by y is equals to 2x square and your limit x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 3 and on x-axis. To solve this question, first we need to know about the definition of area. For that we have area bounded by the curve y is equals to f of x and the x-axis and the ordinates x is equals to a and b is given by I is equals to integration of f of x dx or I is equals to integration of a to b y dx. Using this definition, we can easily find the bounded area by the curve. Let's see the solution. Here y is equals to 2x square. That means your function 2x square is nothing but the equation of parabola, and the limit are given as x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 3. Now how to find the area bounded by the curve 2x square? Okay, let's see using graph. If we are having parabola of 2x square and limits are 1 and 3, that means if we have like this, x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 3. Now what we need to find? Area, right? That means this part between both the limits and bounded by this curve are your area. So you need to find this shaded region. We can see in the graph. See, here the parabola of your function y is equals to 2x square. Your limits are given as 1 and 3, and this shaded part, that means A, B, C and D are your shaded part, and you need to find the area of A, B, C, D. So how to find this? We can use the formula of area. See, area A is equals to modulus of I. We are taking I in modulus because area should be always positive. For I, we have two formulas. Either you can use I is equals to integration of a to b f of x dx or integration of a to b y dx. So we have I is equals to integration of a to b y dx. You can use another formula as well. Now in this term we have all the values of a, b and y. Your value of a and b as 1 and 3 and your value of y is nothing but your parabola, that is 2x square. Putting all the values in this term, we have this, right? Now how to solve this integration? As you know, 2 is nothing but a constant term, and constant term should be always taking outside from the integration. That means you have to write 2 into integration 1 to 3 x square dx. Right. Now what about the integration of x square dx? To solve this, we have the formula, that is integration of x raised to n dx is equals to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Using this formula, we can easily find the integration of x square. See, comparing both this term, we have the value of n as 2. Right? Now putting 2 in this whole term, we get integration of x raised to 2 dx is equals to x raised to 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c. That means you have x raised to 3 by 3 plus c. So now you have the answer of integration of x square dx is equals to x cube by 3 plus c. Using this, we have this term. 2 as a constant, and integration of x square is nothing but x cube by 3, and your limits are 1 to 3. Now, because you are in definite integration, you are not needed to write plus c here. Okay. Then 2 by 3 as a constant we are taking outside. That means we have 2 by 3, your function x cube, and limits are 1 to 3. Putting both the limits, we have this term. Now, how you get this term? See, if your function f of x is given and limits are a to b, then you can write it as f of b minus f of a. That means f of b is your upper limit minus f of a is your lower limit. Here your upper limit is 3 and your lower limit is 1. So we can write it as 3 cube minus 1 cube. Now solving this term, we have 2 by 3 as a constant, then 3 cube is nothing but 27 and 1 cube is nothing but 1. So we have 2 by 3 into 26 is equals to 52 by 3 square units. That means your area bounded by the curve y is equals to 2x square and your limits are 1 to 3, then the area should be 52 by 3 square units. Thank you for watching.